Bro, I am depressed. Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you've never seen my face before, hi, hello, my name is Joanne. And I'm really glad that you're here. Okay, today's video is something to get me out of a funk. I have been in a serious depressive episode for the past couple of weeks, probably the past 2.5 weeks. And I have not touched or thought of makeup. I mean, I barely do like regular hygiene, like regular self-care, let alone plucking my eyebrows, putting on makeup. I haven't even fixed my ball that fell off. Nothing. No motivation whatsoever. So, in today's video, we are going to be doing a full face using everything that makes me happy and just makes me feel something inside, you know? Even though I do not want to get ready, I'm going to force myself to do something that I know deep down I enjoy, but right now I could care less. I can't be the only one. Anyway, when I neglect my skincare and my eyebrow care, I feel ugly. I know I shouldn't. This is my natural body. This is how I look. This is what I look like. And I haven't touched my hair, my face, my makeup in weeks. So today we are going to beat the sadness away. Very exciting. Whilst I was in my depressive episode, I got manic and ordered something from Beaute, which I've never tried before. I don't even remember what's in here. I don't remember what I ordered. I think I blacked out or something. I don't know. And it's just been sitting in my beauty room for weeks. So we're just going to put this on our face today, whatever it is. So if you're excited to see me get out of my depressive funk, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's get into the video. Are they even? I don't know. I don't care. Let's do my face first. As most of you may know, if you follow my channel, I am in the middle of a project pan, but as you can probably assume from my intro, I have used nothing this month. Nothing. I think I put eyeliner on one time to go to the movies with my hubby, but other than that, I have done nothing. No interest whatsoever in looking pretty, in playing with makeup, in coming into this room. I don't know what it is about my depressive episodes, but it makes me spiral even more to think that I used to just come into this room and sit and do my makeup for fun. My vitamin enriched face base makes me happy. On the face it goes. And it's also like skincare, so there's that too. I don't have a particular foundation, but just having my face look clear and glowy and healthy, that makes me happy. Acne be gone. Dark circles, sayonara. Nice knowing ya. This Patrick Star sponge, oh yeah, he makes me happy. What do you guys do when you get like this? If you get like this. If you don't, congratulations. If you do, give me your advice down in the comments, because I mostly just have to let it ride until I'm ready to come out of my hole. But that really affects other parts of my life, you know? Okay. I like that. I'm bronzing to make it seem like I have seen the sun, but I haven't. I can barely go to work, let alone run errands. I really like orange blush. Will it go with today's eye look? I don't know. I don't know what that palette looks like. But I'm packing this on. This is the Foxy Blush from ColourPop, and it also has some shimmer in it. Very polarizing among people in the beauty community, but I actually like shimmer on my cheeks and basically everywhere, so yep. Heavy blush to drown out my heavy feelings. What's better than heavy blush? Heavy highlighter. Oh yeah. That is the Undone Nonzer. the brightest highlighter that I own. Faux Freckles. This is the Lottie Freckle Tint. Okay, I think it's time to move on to this mysterious package that I ordered in the middle of my depressive episode, and I have no idea what is in here. So, I know it's from Ace Beaute. It's packaged so well. This is another thing that makes me super happy. Like mystery boxes. Yes, I ordered this technically, but I don't know what's in it, so. Bubble wrapped? Well. Bubble wrap inside a bubble wrap package. Foam inside of big bubble wrap. The suspense is killing me. Bubble wrap inside of the foam wrap. And I have the Ace Beaute Nostalgia palette. Okay, that sounds like something I would like. There is no price on the receipt. But I know I got this for $20 because I got it on sale, which I thought would make me happy. But we all know how that went. The big reveal, I do not know what this palette looks like. Why? What have I done? Let's take a moment to see what we've just done. I like yellows. I like pinks. I see some neutral shades in here. I see orange. Purple, I hate. Yeah, okay. Why did I order this? Well, I guess we are going to try out Ace Beaute's formula in today's video. I've never used their formula before, so I am going to prime my eyes. They do have a nice skin tone shade in here called Beach, which I will use to set my primer. On the inner corner, I'm going in with a Water Slide, which is, did I just dip that in green? No, I didn't. Yellow on the inner portion of my eye. You know what makes me happy? Rainbows. Yep. How is this palette nostalgia? I don't know. When I see the word nostalgia, I'm thinking it's probably going to be a lot of neutral shades. Maybe pinks and roses. But this is basically a rainbow palette. I know I want to do a really exaggerated winged out look today, which I will show you how I do that. This yellow is pretty powdery. Okay. Down the center of my eyelid, I'm going in with the orange shade called Popsicle. In the center. Blending that into the yellow. They blend really, really nicely together. Seamless blend, actually. I'm going to go back in with Water Slide to deepen up the yellow shade. I don't want it to get lost in the blend. They blend very nicely together. Okay, on the outer corner, I'm going in with Flower, the pretty pink color. Okay, to make the outer wing, I just need something flat. So I'm going to actually use the packing slip that came. Normally, I mean, you can use tape, but I've noticed that when I use tape on my outer eye, I actually pull a lot at my outer corner and I have a ton of wrinkles there already. So I'm just going to place a flat object there and use that to keep the blend straight. So again, Flower on the outer corner. Ta-da! Again, I'm going to go back in with the orange shade so I don't lose that blend in the center there. Oh yeah. And I'm just making sure to connect the orange shade to my pink shade on the upper part to complete my wing. Ta-da! And back in with the orange. Okay. Okay. I don't know if this is going to work, so judge me if you will. I'm taking the tiniest little brush I have. I'm going into the shade called Heat, which is the very shimmery pink shade. And I'm going to just align that line, my like outer wing here, with the shimmer. I want to be very careful. I want it to be sharp. So I'm kind of like dabbing it in there. Okay, up to that. On the other side, because I do need to reuse this brush. The shimmers are really pretty in this palette. Okay, and I use a color switch if I need the same brush. Stargazing, which is the orange shimmer, above the orange. Fun on the yellow. On a pencil brush, I'm going in with the bright pink called Picnic for my lower lash line. On the inner, Vacation, neon orange. And blend. I recently got this new mascara at the store called Maybelline Colossal Curl Bounce Mascara, so I want to try that out today. It's a huge, like, packaging, and it does have a slight curl on the wand. It's okay. For some reason, I thought this was going to vibrate. Is it because this looks like the vibration sign or the Wi-Fi sign? I thought there was going to be electricity or something. Didn't they come out with a mascara that vibrated once? Did I make that up? Should I make that up? The wand is massive, though, if you don't really like that. 9 out of 10. I like it. Drugstore, affordable, and my lashes are huge. Lips. What makes me happy? I'm lame. Lip oil. This one's from ColourPop. This is in Orchid. My lips are so chapped because I have not been wearing chapstick. Couldn't even be bothered to find it if I wanted to. I love these lip oils. This is a Luxe Gloss. Oh, this isn't even a lip oil. And this isn't even in the shade Orchid. Ah, this is a Luxe Gloss in the shade Peace Lily. Why does it say Orchid on the bottom? ColourPop, you got some explaining to do. Classic repackage. Okay. And that is my full face of everything that just brightened my mood. I feel better. What do you think of the look? Don't forget to leave your tips down below for me. I will be looking forward to reading them. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. Please give me a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you'd like to see more videos from me. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye!